I'm Madhu, founder of Aranyam Natural Cosmetics Private Limited. So today we are going to talk what are the 5 oils which we can use to make the soap. Number 1 oil, coconut oil. You can use extra virgin, you can use cold press oil. Number 2, you can use olive oil. Number 3, you can use sunflower oil. Number 4, you can use sesame oil. And number 5, you can use castor oil. There is an endless list other than these oils as well. To add the properties, you can add hemp seed oil, wheat germ oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, cocoa butter. The list is endless. But to start with, basically we have to have at least 5 oils. These can be these oils, what I told you just now, or these can be little bit tweaked here and there. The recipe matters a lot. We have to balance the recipe to make a perfect soap so that it is neither too hard nor too soft. Thank you. We'll come up with the next topic in my next video. See you then.